Humidifiers are one of the easiest ways to adjust the environment of your grow space. This is because these devices are compact and can increase the humidity while decreasing your VPD values rapidly with very little electrical draw. Most humidifiers use an ultrasonic vaporizer to turn water into mist, and as the mist enters your grow space atmosphere, it will evaporate into the air, which will both increase the relative humidity and slightly lower the temperature, as the act of evaporation removes a small amount of heat from the surrounding air. Because of this, if you don't want to lower the temperature of your environment, you can run a heater at the same time. It's recommended to pipe your humidifier higher up in your grow space and allow it to cascade downwards to give it more time to evaporate. Always use distilled water with any humidifier to prevent the minerals in the tap water from entering the air as well, which can leave a layer of mineral buildup around your grow space and also clog up any filters you have installed.